In today's video, we're comparing two AI-powered tools that help you create professional content fast, Typeset and Gamma AI. Both are designed to save you time and make your work look polished, but they focus on different goals. So, which one should you use? Let's break it down. Let's start with Typeset. Typeset is an AI writing and formatting platform built mainly for creating research papers, reports, and academic-style documents. It automatically formats your content based on journal or publication standards, so you don't have to worry about citations, layouts, or structure. It's perfect for students, researchers, or professionals who need clean, publication-ready documents without spending hours adjusting margins and references. The best part is that it supports thousands of formatting styles, making it incredibly efficient for scholarly or formal writing. Now, let's move on to Gamma AI. Unlike Typeset, Gamma isn't about academic writing. It's about creating visually appealing presentations and web pages with minimal effort. You simply type your ideas or paste your content, and Gamma automatically designs a clean, professional deck for you. It's great for business professionals, freelancers, and creators who want to turn text into presentations quickly without worrying about design skills. Gamma focuses more on layout, visuals, and presentation flow, while Typeset focuses on structure, formatting, and citations. So, which one is better? It depends on what you're creating. If you're working on research, essays, or formal documents, Typeset is your best choice because it takes care of formatting and citation accuracy. But if you're creating presentations, client decks, or digital content, Gamma AI is the winner for its visual design and time-saving features. In short, Typeset is ideal for written reports and academic work, while Gamma AI is perfect for visual storytelling and business presentations. Both tools are powerful in their own way. It all comes down to your purpose. So, which one fits your workflow better? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech comparisons like this.